cam just come right out. Don't think we'll need that at all. Don't need these lifters. And I suppose we need this, but that's the governor. Little bird up. That who needs a governor? Yeah, have to plug that up with something. I could put the valve springs back in to hold the valves closed.